How is y'all? On this version, it's 1966 Ford truck. We've got the 66 Ford truck out today. Going to take it for a ride. Let me show you a few things about it. It's a 1966 Ford truck bought originally brand new by my grandfather, Roland. It's mostly all original. Used to have a 3-speed standard in it, but now it's got an automatic in it. Makes it much easier to drive. It's about 120,000 miles, so she's not too bad a shape. A lot of restoration has been done over the past to keep it up, but not too much. 352 V8, C6 automatic, 9-inch Ford rear end, 279 gears. Here's under the hood. Let's look under there. .352 V8, like I said. It's not in too bad a shape. Grandpa drove this truck for a little while, and then he kind of parked it in the barn, and he had another car, so this truck didn't get a lot of use. Let's turn on the OAC with the Cool Queen. There it is. There's the compressor, and it's running. That air conditioner was added by TG&Y back in probably the late 60s when he bought this truck, 1966. And the air conditioner is still working to this day, converted over to R134. '66 Ford, 352 V8, Grandpa's original truck. So it's been in our family for 60 years. Over and out, cowgirls.